windy. Okay, so guys, I am just leaving work and I decided that I'm going to do a little mini vlog, or yeah, it's going to be a mini vlog because I am just going to get my eyebrows waxed for the first time, I think, and I just decided that I am going to vlog it to give you guys content. But yeah, I'm just leaving work. Like I said, I'm going to get in a taxi to the destination. Then when I get there, I'll see y'all. Yes, that's fine. Farmers, if you come back. Okay, so guys, in here I buy some of my makeup. Yeah, so like I would say 30% of my makeup, they are from this place. In here is called Options. Yeah, it's a different location, but yeah, it's a local beauty bar, I would say. They are called Options. So yeah, but ironically, it is my first time ever getting my eyebrows waxed, because I'm always saying this, I'm not a hairy person, so I don't have a lot of eyelashes. Look there, literally 4 strings. I don't have a lot of eyebrows, so like I never really see the reason to come and get waxed or all that, but I'm just going to try it out today. Let's see how it goes. Ready? My record, your face not go in there, your voice not go in there, no.
What make you want to put me on your throat? No, tell me you know this. What make you want to put me on your throat?
Our first time I ever go wax my eyebrows, so I'm gonna have no eyebrow.
No, I'm just going to lift it up.
Thank you.
Then I'll take it down.
Thank you.
Alright, baby.
Oh yeah.
How much to do under waxing?
How much we do virgin J waxing? Oh, you got yours? Okay.
Nobody can do like bikini line.
Bikini line and no virgin.
Yeah, if you do everything. No, if you don't want to run about, fine, but
Okay.
then still.
Oh, the butt crack?
Yeah, if you want, if you don't want hair, so if you go to some stuff.
you. Oh my God. God no, this make me look like me have eyebrow. Thank you. Alright, so guys, I'm going to let her here. It actually looks cute to me. I might just start getting used to this, but that is it from me in today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive comments. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys.